हेलो, नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल and जय हिंद. So, I hope each one of you is fine and doing great, gaining positivity from everywhere. So today, I quickly jump on to conclusion. So I quickly come on to my topic. Today, I'm going to talk about creativity and creativity desire. Basically, creativity is a thing we really don't talk about that much. Like we don't talk about building confidence, building self-belief, building patience, how to control your anger. There are some aspects of life we really talk about, but creativity and creativity desire, on the same hand, we don't talk about much. So I thought of just giving it a try. Maybe it will work better for us all. So let's start the video. So most of us have been through a period where we got something that surely was a boost at the stage, but most of us do just lost that opportunity just because it doesn't give us satisfaction to our creative desire. Most of us are not even aware about creativity desire. This is quite an honest thing. Seriously, most of us are not even aware about creativity desire. Well, it's a desire where our heart and our soul plus our never-ending demanding mind demands for the work that will fulfill our need, plus it also give a rise to our creativity desire. Sometimes it happens that we take a step ahead to find happiness, which is endless, and it will also boost our inner self satisfaction. Many times it happened that many of us just lost an opportunity because we thought this opportunity is not meant for us, as it is worthless and totally not suitable, and as a result we also lose the opportunity to earn a penny. Remember, we all start from scratches, we all start from zero. The very first step is preparing a base where we can transform or modify our way of working. Plus we should have something as a backup plan, because it's better to have something rather than having nothing. Creativity desire is basically a treat to our self-esteem, as it will always compel us to stop looking for something which will give us an ordinary life. But as I said, on that ordinary base we can modify it and can turn it into, you never know, a magnum opus one. Efforts should always be deliberate. That's as simple as that, as it costs nothing, only our dedication and determination. Maybe one day we can achieve the ambition of working in our creative field, in our creative from the perspective of creative desire. Maybe one day we would be able to feed our creativity desire as much as we can. But first, we really need to up the ante to get the best results. We should really need to know that a force is working for each one of us to take us into the right direction, and it totally depends on us that we should know that force and walk in the same direction where the force is taking us, and not getting distracted in between or in the middle, because the middle part of the journey is truly the most challenging, as it will demand our mind to work like an adrenaline rush. Just know one thing: everything will seem to be achievable when our faith and belief will go hand in hand, and our respect for every opportunity will be equal. The threshold on which we are at the moment, and I just want to say that love what you do and achieve your creativity desire, because as the time will pass, we don't have we won't have that energy or capability to achieve that, or else you'll have to live with that regret for a lifetime. That's all I can say about the creativity and creative desire. That's as simple as that. Run after your dream. Do hard work. It's as simple as that. Really, it just requires time, patience, and we have those, but we don't know when we have to show that. So please have a faith on yourself and a belief on yourself. You will quite possibly, or most possibly, will achieve your dream, will achieve your goal, definitely. One more thing that I never say at the end of my video or at the start of my video also. मुझे इस वीडियो में मुझे इस वीडियो में वो लोग चाहिए जो पहले इस वीडियो को देखें, फिर समझने के लिए उसे अच्छे से समझें, और उसके बाद भी अगर थोड़ी बहुत जान बच जाती है तो हम लोग लाइक कर दो, कमेंट कर दो और सब्सक्राइब कर दो. प्लीज़ डू वॉच इट. एंड दिस जो थोड़ी बहुत जान बच जाती है, आई टुक दिस फ्रॉम चक दे इंडिया, वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट मूवी. सो please do watch it and have a safe life. Stay away from negativity, gain positivity. May God bless you all. Thank you and